In this lesson, we will learn that how we can use LifterLMS register block on our pages. So the LifterLMS register block you can add on any pages. You can see that I have a home page and I only have this register form. So you can see as a user, I cannot see this page contents. So when a user will register for this page, they will automatically able to see my home page content. So if you want something like that, you can use the LifterLMS register block as well. So how we can do that? First, we have to visit our home page or any other page where we want to add the LifterLMS register block. So here we have to click on this add block. Then we have to search for LifterLMS register. Here we can see that we have the LifterLMS register block. We have to add this. So you can use this as per your requirements, but I want that only my logged in users will be able to see my homepage content, not the logged out user. So if they want to see the content, they have to register. So I added this for the homepage, and all of my you can see here I have the homepage content. I already added a restrictions here that if I choose any block one, that is here you can see when I will select this block, I will get this enrollment visibility option. So we can choose any enrollment visibility option. So I choose for logged in users. So that means only logged in users will be able to see my content. So now I will update it. And again, I will visit my register form and I will refresh it. So now if I register, if I use some random email, now if I register, I will be able to see the homepage content. See, now if I visit the homepage, I will be able to see all the homepage contents.